Well, good morning.
I got to ask you, you stopped in town to get in the middle of this mess over the Red River Waterway Commission and the appointments the governor made or didn't make. You were asked to issue a legal opinion. Is that accurate? And then tell us what that was.
That's correct. So, we were asked by not only the Caddo Levee District, but Senator Peacock and Senator Greg Tarver about the statutory scheme and composite and the appointment process of the Red River Waterway Commission.
And what is your opinion in terms of how the appointments are made and how the governor did it?
Well, look, what's important is that there is a statutory schedule, okay, that lays out the representation of the commission. And if that statutory schedule is not followed by the letter of the law, then it disrupts the representation on the commission, which, if the facts hold to what was represented to us, would disrupt the representation in the Bossier Caddo area in northwest Louisiana. And so we were here in order to do two things. One, to protect the rule of law, okay, to ensure that the rule of law is followed, and to protect northwest Louisiana's representation.
So basically this comes down to the way the governor treated, or more specifically didn't treat, the nomination, the appointment or lack of Carolyn Prater, right?
Well, whether I don't know how he treated it, but whether or not he followed the statute. And the law spells out the way that the representation on the commission is made and how those appointments are made.
Let me ask you that they have to come through, those local entities have to nominate someone, and you're telling me that's required by law? That
is required. That is written into the statute. And look, again, we're going to post, all of our opinions are online. We're going to post the opinion on our Facebook and tweet it out. We would encourage everyone to read the opinion. It's very well laid out. It's not a complicated opinion, and it's not long.
Is the governor allowed to appoint whoever he wants despite the suggestions, nominations from the levee board and other bodies in this part of the state?
The governor must choose from the list submitted to him. He does not have the discretion to deviate from that list.
And so you're saying the member that he's moved into the Caddo seat is serving illegally. Is that accurate?
What I'm saying is that if you deviate from that list, if you deviate from the statute, then anyone who is in that process that has been deviated from sits in that seat unlawful. Okay,
so you've issued your official opinion. What is the next step? Are you specifically involved in whatever the next move is?
Well, I think that the next step is for the governor to act. And, that would be a question for the governor and the administration.
Is this likely headed toward a lawsuit? I mean, are you getting that vibe?
Now you should call the governor.
What about the Levee District? Can they not file suit saying, this is the law, you didn't follow the law, we want it followed? Can they file suit?
I think the important thing to recognize is there are a number of different actions that can be taken. However, the most immediate and easiest path is to follow the law.
Is the next move, if it involves the state of Louisiana, or more specifically the levee board, I guess, do you act as their counsel? Do they have their own? Do they have somebody else? How does that work?
I would rather not have to answer those questions because I'm pretty sure that the governor is going to follow the law.
Now, wait a minute. You and the governor have disagreed on a lot of things legally, from soup to nuts.
I mean, obviously the governor doesn't think he's acting illegally. Fair enough.
Well, I don't know. I mean, look, I don't know if he's been presented with all of the information. I don't know if his lawyers briefed him on the statute. This opinion certainly gives him the framework that he is to follow. It would be his decision.
How long do you anticipate until the governor and or somebody with his office responds, has their opinion, and then what?
Probably as fast as you can get them on the phone.
You sent them your opinion? They have it in their hands.
Been posted to our public site.
He's not going to pick up the phone and call you and ask you about this. You guys are not, you're not playing golf together in the afternoons.
He has my cell number.
He's disagreed with your opinions on many fronts.
Well, I know, but I've disagreed with a lot of people. I still get along with them.
What do you anticipate happening here?
I don't know. That really is a question for the governor. But look, the important thing is we're going to protect northwest Louisiana, and we're going to protect the rule of law here in this state.